Hello student, welcome back to Chanakya Computer Academy. My name is Chandan and today in this particular video we discuss top 20 computer awareness MCQ. They also are frequently asking many government job. So let's start the session. So the first question is compiler translate the source code to DES. The option is problem solving code, machine code, binary code, both B and C. So try to answer it. Your time start now. So a compiler is a translator. A compiler is a translator. Translate the source code to DES. आपके पास जो ऑप्शन है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग कोड, मशीन कोड, बाइनरी कोड, बोथ बी एंड सी, इनमें से कौन सा जो राइट आंसर है ये कंपाइलर ट्रांसलेट करता है सोर्स कोड टू, तो द राइट आंसर इज D, both B and C. That means both machine code and binary code. When a user writes some program in a computer or in a EDI, that is called source code. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? सोर्स कोड. And a compiler is a translator. A compiler is a translator. It is a part of an operating system and translate the source code to the machine code, or it is otherwise called the binary code, or it is otherwise called the low level language. So the compiler translates source code to machine code. So move on to the next question. The question number 2. The world first microprocessor was introduced in. The world first microprocessor was introduced in. The option is 1965, 1966, 1969, 1970. So your time start now. Please choose the correct answer. The world first microprocessor was introduced in 1965, 1966, 1969, 1970. So the right answer is D, 1970. So the right answer is D, 1970. We just look it. In fourth generation of computer, the microprocessor was introduced. In fourth generation of computer, the microprocessor was introduced, and the time period is 1971 to 1989. And a very important question, that is Trade Hoff, was the inventor of microprocessor. So move on to the next question. The question number 3. The first computer virus is DES. The first computer virus is DES. So the option is I love you, Bluster, Scraper. So your time start now. The first computer virus is. The first computer virus is? I love you, Bester, Scare, Scraper. Choose the correct answer. इनमें से कौन जो फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर वायरस कहा जाता है? सो द राइट आंसर इज स्क्रैपर. सो द स्क्रैपर इज a one type of computer program. Basically it was invented or created by Bob Thomas in 1971. Move on to the next question. So the question number 4, dash extend each line of your text to the left and right margin. Dash extend each line of your text to the left and right margin. The option is line spacing, clear formatting, justifying, text highlighting. So your time start now. Dash extend each line of your text to the left and right margin properly. So the correct answer is C, justifying. Justifying is a tools present in paragraph menu. It is a one type of yelling. The shortcut key is Control plus J, used to the adjust the text or space in both sides, that may be left or right. So move on to the next question. So the question number 5, in an ER diagram attributes are represented by. In ER diagrams the attributes are represented by square, ellipse, triangle, rectangle. So your time start now. In an ER diagram all attributes are represented by. एट्रीब्यूट को इनमें से कौन सा शेप में इसको रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है? ठीक है, तो पहला ऑप्शन रहा स्क्वायर, एलिप्स, ट्रायंगल, रेक्टेंगल. सो द राइट आंसर इज एलिप्स. सो ये आपका एक हो गया ईयर डायग्राम. इन दिस ईयर डायग्राम start data or all type of data are used and processor also used, and the attributes are normally represent in ellipse sign. So move on to the next question. The question number 6, what is the shortcut key to split a table? What is the shortcut key to split a table? The option is Alt plus Shift plus Enter, Control plus Alt plus Enter, Control plus Shift plus Enter, none of the above. So your time start now. What is the shortcut key to split a table in MS Word? So the right answer is Control plus Shift plus Enter. Control plus Shift plus Enter. So the split table used to separate into two parts. When you use this shortcut key, when you use the shortcut key, we break a table, we use to break a table. So move on to the next question. So the question number 7, multiple calculations can be made in a single formula using multiple calculations can be made in a single formula using standard formulas, array formula, complex formula, smart formula. The multiple calculation we can made using which type of formula in MS Excel: standard formula, array formula, complex formula, smart formula. Your time start now. Which type of formula we use for multiple calculation in MS Excel? So the right answer is array formula. So the right answer is array formula. Array formula are used for multiple calculation. Array formula in MS Excel, basic array formula are used for multiple calculation. So move on to the next question. So the question number 8, which is used to perform what if analysis? Which is used to perform what if analysis? Solver, goal seek, scenario manager, all of the above. Which is used to perform what if analysis? MS एक्सेल का आया हुआ है क्वेश्चन, बहुत ही बार हर बार लगभग बैंकिंग एग्जाम में इसको पूछा जाता है. Which is used to perform what if analysis? Solver, goal seek, scenario manager, all of the above. Your time start now. So the correct answer is D, all of the above. The solver, it is a one type of function, what if analysis function. It helps to find an optimal value. It helps to find an optimal value in one cell. It helps to find an optimal value in one cell. And goal seek function are used when we already know the output. It is used for compare purpose. When we know the output, we use the goal seek function. And the scenario managers allow in MS Excel to change the substitute inputs. Or value, the scenario manager is used. So all functions are available in what if analysis menus. So the correct answer is D, all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Move on to the next question. The question number 9, in Microsoft PowerPoint, the entry effect as on slide replace another in a so is called. In Microsoft PowerPoint, the entry effect as one slide replace another in a show is called animation, slide transition, custom animation, preset animation. So your time start now. In Microsoft PowerPoint, the entry effect as one slide replace another in a show is called. So the correct answer is slide transition. Slide transitions are used. Change the entry effect from one slide to another slide. So move on to the next question. The question number 10. Ellipse motion is a predefined dash. Ellipse motion is a predefined dash. Design template, color scheme, animation scheme, all of the above. Your time start now. The ellipse motion is a predefined dash. Design template, color scheme, animation scheme, all of these. It is also a PowerPoint question. So the correct answer is animation scheme. So the correct answer is animation scheme. Move on to the next question. That is a animation schemes you used to add animation in a particular shape or in a particular text. So move on to the next question. The question number 11. To resume the slide show in PowerPoint, we used the shortcut key. The option is Shift plus F2, Shift plus F3, Shift plus F4, Shift plus F5. To resume the slide show in PowerPoint. Your time start now. What is the shortcut key are used to resume the slide in a slideshow in MS PowerPoint? So the right answer is Shift plus F5. Shift plus F5. Move on to the next question. The question number 12. Pause the show in PowerPoint during presentation. Press which key? Pause the show in PowerPoint during presentation. Press the option is P, Control plus P, Control plus S, W. So your time start now. Choose the right answer. What is the shortcut key to pause the show in MS PowerPoint during the presentation? We press the dash key to pause the show. So the right answer is W. So the right answer is W. Move on to the next question. Question number 13. In the OSI model, open system interconnection, in the OSI model, encryption and decryption are function of the base layer. In the OSI model, the OSI means open system interconnection. It is a one type of model used in networking, computer network. Encryption and decryption are function of the base layer. The option is transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. So your time start now. In OSI model, the encryption and decryption are function of the base layer. So the right answer is presentation layer. So the right answer is presentation layer. Move on to the next question. Here we just look the OSI model. The first layer is physical layer, then data link, network, transport, session, presentation and application. And suppose it is device 1 and device 2, and in device 2 also logical 7 layers also present OSI layers, that is called first layer is physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation and application. So the encryption and decryption are the all of the functions are normally present in presentation layer of the OSI model. So move on to the next question. The question number 14, IANA stand for. IANA stand for Internet Assigned Number Authority, Internal Assigned Number Authority, Internet Associative Number Authority, Internal Associative Number Authority. So choose the correct answer. Your time start now. The full form of IANA. So the correct answer is Internet Assigned Numbers Authority. So move on to the next question. Question number 15. Which of the following virtual machine is used by the Android operating system? Which of the following virtual machine is used by the Android operating system? JVM, Dalvik virtual machine, simple virtual machine, none of the above. Your time start now. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following virtual machine is used by the Android operating system? हम एंड्रॉयड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में इनमें से कौन सा वर्चुअल मशीन को यूज करते हैं? So the correct answer is Dalvik virtual machine. Dalvik virtual machine. Move on to the next question. The question number 16. IMAP stand for. IMAP stand for. The option is Internet Message Access Protocol, Internet Message Access Protocol, Internet Message Application Protocol, none of these. Your time start now. IMAP stand for Internet message access protocol, intranet message access protocol, internet message application protocol, none of these. So the right answer is internet message access protocol. Move on to the next question. The question number 17. What is the shortcut key to open a new tab in Chrome browser? What is the shortcut key? बहुत ही इसको पूछा जाता है एसएससी में. What is the shortcut key to open a new tab in Chrome browser? The option is Control plus N, Shift plus N, Control plus T, Shift plus T. So choose the correct answer. Your time start now. What is the shortcut key to open a new tab? To open a new tab in Chrome browser. So the right answer is Control plus T. So the right answer is C, Control plus T. Control plus T is the shortcut key. Used for open a new tab in Chrome browser. So move on to the next question. The question number 18. Which of the following specifies a set of media access control and physical layer specification for implementing WLANs? Which of the following specifies a set of media access control, that means MAC, and physical layer specification for implementing WLAN? वायरलेस लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए इनमें से कौन सा आईपी एड्रेस हम यूज करते हैं? द ऑप्शन इज IEEE 802.11, 802.16, IEEE 802.3 and IEEE 802.11 and IEEE 802.15. So choose the correct answer. Your time start now. What is the IP address used for WLAN? So the correct answer is C, IEEE 802.11. IEEE 802.11 is a one type of protocol basically used for WLAN, Wi-Fi, etc. So move on to the next question. The question number 19. CBRAM stand for. CBRAM stand for. The option is Create Batch Random Access Memory, Circuit Breaker Random Access Memory, Closed Beta Random Access Memory, Conductive Bridge Random Access Memory. So your time start now. What is the full form of CBRAM? So the right answer is So the right answer is D, conductive bridge, random access memory, used in networking. This type of RAM highly used in networking. So move on to the next question, and the last question. The question number 20. This is used to compress image. This is used to compress an image. MPEG, JPEG, either A or B, none of the above. Which of the following is used to compress an image? So your time start now. This is used to compress image. Moving picture export group, joint picture export group, or either A or B, none of the above. So the right answer is JPEG, joint picture export group. So thank you for watching. We discuss another top 20 MCQ in our next class.